said, friends, this is the one and only Tech Boss. So today we're going to be having a look at my PC. As you can see, it's right there. It's all opened up. She looks crisp. She looks awesome. Nearly had her for nearly 2 years, I believe, or even 2 years. I'm not too sure, but yeah, it's been yeah. I don't know what to say. But yeah, anyway, you guys have been asking me about the PC, and you guys want to see what specs I have in the PC, what I use the PC for. So yeah, today I'm gonna cram that all in one video and tell you guys exactly what my specs are, what I'm running, and all that stuff. But yeah, as you can see, I've got my setup in the background, but as it is, it's messy at the moment. It's like that for a reason, because obviously I'm gonna do a separate video of my gaming setup and my productivity setup. I think I did one on this channel already. I'm gonna put it up there on the eye thing, whatever they call it. But yeah, that was my old setup. But now I'm in a new place. Yeah, everything is built new from scratch. But yeah, that video is gonna be coming up as well. But yeah, anyway, so let me just get into my tablet and then start with the video. You know how it is. Anyway, by the way, man's looking slick. You get me still. Right, tell me in the comment section below. Tell me if I look slick, bro. Look at these guns, yeah. My guy. Anyway, let's go with the video. You get me still. Anyway, so the case that I'm running all my parts in is called the Core-Link Observatory RGB PC case. This PC case, I didn't actually get it from Amazon. I actually got it from a PC, some kind of like PC event, or like, I don't know what you call it, but basically they were selling parts and stuff like that. This was when I started wanting to build my own PC, because obviously like I needed a PC. Well, I had a PC, but obviously I wanted a custom PC that I personally built with the parts that I want to build it with, you know what I'm saying? So I started off with the PC case and I bought that, and yeah, and it just started coming together, and I built a whole PC. And shout out to my boy Yusuf, he helped me do it as well. But yeah, anyway, yeah, that's the case I have all my parts in, and now we're going to speak about the motherboard. So the motherboard I've got is actually from ASUS. They've got nice parts, and the design as well, the parts look nice. It's like appealing when people look inside the case, and like, wow, that's a nice motherboard. But yeah, the actual brand I'm using is ASUS, is the Republic of Gaming ROG, STRIX B360-F gaming motherboard. So it's not only a motherboard, it's an actual gaming motherboard. So I didn't want to get something that's just a motherboard, you know. I wanted it to be actual for gaming, because when you get the game, when you have gaming gear in your PC, then you know for 100% that you can run anything else on it, like Premiere Pro, like do your productivity work, because gaming needs a high specification of certain, like a certain high specification for you to run games. So if you have a gaming product, you'll be able to do anything else on it. That's why I went for the gaming, for the gaming motherboard. Basically everything I got is for the in the PC is gaming. Anyway, now we're going to talk about the cooling system. I have a Cooler Master. I mean, yeah, Cooler Master. They're known for cooling PC parts, and they're very, very good at it. Hence why the name Cooler Master. But yeah, I've got the Cooler Master Master Cooler ML240L RGB liquid cooler. So it's my PC is water-based. It's a water-based cooling PC. So it's got a RAD, and the PC, the processor is being cooled by water essentially. And then yeah, it's RGB of course as well. So the fans in the what do you call it, in the processor. I mean, the fan in the cooler, or the RAD, lights up basically. It's RGB, and then the little block as well is RGB as well. That says Cooler Master, which is pretty damn cool. Now we're going to talk about the RAM that I've got in this PC. I've got 16 gig of RAM. Both, well, the 8 gig of RAM for 8 gig each, and then together is 16 gig of RAM, and they're from G.SKILL. So G.SKILL DDR4, which is the latest DDR RAM that we have right now on the planet, unless they're making the DDR5 or some bullcrap like that. Yeah, but I'm running the DDR4 G.SKILL 16 gig of RAM. So yeah, it gets the work done. I mean, would have loved 32, but that's just overkill for what I need. I don't really do that much intense gaming to have that amount of RAM. But yeah, 16 gig is just the sweet spot where you want it to be. Anyway, so now we're going to talk about the hard drive. I've got a HDD hard drive and I have an SSD as well, because the SSD is a lot more quicker than the HDD. So yeah, so the HDD I use for mainly the games, to store the games, and then on the SSD I store all my documents, my files, my YouTube files, my videos, my pictures, everything. So whenever I go to open them up, they open up instantly, and whenever I'm going to transfer a file onto the PC, it transfers it very quickly than the hard drive. But yeah, hard drive, I mean, you would say to put the games on the SSD because it'll be quicker, but for me, like I said to you, I'm not really a big hardcore gamer, you know. What I would mainly play is either GTA 5 or Fortnite, and that's pretty much about it. So I put it all on the SSD, not all on the hard drive. The hard drive I've got is 1 terabyte, and the SSD, I believe it is 480 gigabyte SSD I've got in the PC as well. So yeah, and it runs up to 535 megabytes per second. Yeah, so which is quite a lot. Anyway, so right, we're going to talk about what else have I got in this PC. We're going to talk about some LED strips. I've got in there. I've just got a normal basic LED strip for the PC that you put on. You can either hold it with the magnet or with 3M tape. There's 2 options there for you. But yeah, it's just a normal. I wouldn't really call it cheap. It's like a good quality LED. The brand is called WowLED PC RGB gaming LED strips for your desktop computer PC or whatever. But yeah, I've got one of them in there. So hopefully when I get a bigger tower, I'm gonna buy more and just ram it in there. So literally the whole PC is live, so you can see it from 2 miles away. But yeah, now anyway, we're gonna talk about the cables that I have, because obviously you got when you buy your motherboard and you buy the parts for it, you've got this absolutely disgusting cables that you have to plug into the motherboard, which looks green. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to put some green ones in there because that's my theme for the PC. Green and black, that's my main theme for the PC, because green is my favorite color, obviously. And then yeah, got them, hooked them all up. So I've got one going from the graphics cards all the way to the motherboard, and I got one from the motherboard going to I can't remember where is it going from. The motherboard, yeah, I can't even remember. Like I said, I didn't build them up, one of my friends did. But yeah, I've got that, and also my graphics card is the Palette. I can't remember what it is. It's a GeForce Palette 980. Not the TI, because yeah, but the graphics card is what I really want to upgrade as soon as possible. It's probably going to be one of the first things I upgrade on the PC, because I mean, I'm not saying it's not good, it's brilliant. It handles 4K because the monitor is 4K, but obviously, yeah, I just want to upgrade it so the graphics is way more better. But yeah, anyway guys, that's what's in my PC, and yeah, that's all my PC parts, that's everything that's in the PC. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and then yeah, obviously when I upgrade the PC, I'm going to be doing a video as well, and telling you guys what parts I have, new parts I've upgraded to, and stuff like that. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching the video, and for you guys that wanted me to upload this video for a long time, there you go, you know what's in my PC now. Well yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to hit that like button. Also dislike the video though if you didn't like it, I don't mind. And comment down below, tell me if you like the video or not, or if you like my setup and my PC and what I'm rocking in there at the moment. But yeah guys, without further ado, subscribe, share the video, and then yeah, link below. I mean, look at the description section below. It's gonna take you to the links to all the parts, so you can build a PC like mine, or you know, use as inspiration or whatever. But yeah, anyway guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Peace.